Welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's your girl Kaylin, and today I'm going to be trying another wig from Amazon for y'all. This time it is a braided hair wig, super long, and it comes with the edges and full lace. Of course, it has the clips on the inside, and then you're able to tighten it up in the back. So yeah, I think it's constructed really well. Overall, it looks pretty natural, y'all, but I don't know, I might not even have to click. I'm not gonna click it. Yeah, I'm not, because it might mess up like the braid if I try to pull it out. So we're just gonna see what it looked like without plugging it. But let's get right on into the video. First, I'm trying on the wig to see how it fits. I want to make sure that it is snug. Okay, I see potential. Y'all know I always see potential in these looks. As you can see, here I am cutting right by the ears so that I can go ahead and lay down the lace. I'm taking my Got to Be Free spray and spraying along the hairline. It is super helpful to have a blow dryer to quickly dry the lace, but as you can see, I don't have one. So I ended up using a headband and letting that stay on for a few minutes. Alright, here I'm just cutting the lace. I peeled it up as far as I could to the hairline, and you want to make sure you don't cut any of your edges because some of my edges did slip down. You will see some white residue, and to get that off, I just used the wet washcloth and wiped that off. So I'm using the edge effect, edge control to lay down these baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not a pro when it comes to laying down baby hairs on a wig, especially a synthetic wig, but I'm doing my best. I am cutting these baby hairs down some because they were super long. I ended up still having to cut some more. So I'm just playing around till I get it to the natural state that I like it. Alright, and I'm going to use my wax stick. This is also called the pomade stick, and I just used it to lay down the hairs on the wig. Alright y'all, so this is the final result, and I just did like a little natural look for my baby hairs. I sprayed some more Got to Be over the baby hairs. I tried my best, y'all. I really don't know how to do baby hairs like that, but I think it looks cute. I would definitely purchase again, and this will definitely be like one of my go-to bad hair days for sure. Overall, I would give this wig I give it a 9. I give it a 9 because like it was really constructed well, and I feel like if it was a lot more crisp, then it would look like really wiggy, but it looks natural, like somebody just braided their wig and they just wanted the wig to look, you know, like a messy look. I like that look, like, so that's why I give it a 9. The hair is like super long, and one day when I decide to unbraid it, I can't wait to see what it'll look like, because I think it'll be super cute. But the baby hairs, they pulled out too much and it's too wispy. Just they was too long. I had to cut, and I think the next time I wear this wig, I'm gonna cut them some more. But overall, like I said, I did enjoy this hair. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and comment below if y'all gonna try this hair, or if y'all like this hair. Would you wear this? Let me know. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this. Peace.
Rapping that shit wavy.